This is a script to fetch cryptocurrency data from the Bitfinex API and store it in a local SqlLite database. The main class in this script is Bitfinex Data Provider, which has an import data method that asynchronously retrieves data from the Bitfinex API and stores it in a SqlLite database using the SqlLite Database class. The SqlLite Database class is used to manage a connection to the SqlLite database, insert data into the database, read data from the database, and retrieve the latest date for which data is available for a particular symbol in the database. Initialize the provider with a list of tickers and a candle size. Fetch and store the data from the API. Read the data for Bitcoin US dollar from the start of 2021 to the end of 2021. Read the data for Ethereum US dollar from the start of 2021 to the end of 2021. Print the Bitcoin US dollar data. Print the Ethereum US dollar data. At the end, close the database connection.